An image of a Chinese J-10 fighter jet has surfaced online that bore markings claiming the downing of 3 French Rafale jets, 1 Indian Su-30, 1 MiG-29, and a Heron-TP drone. That has triggered a wave of online ridicule from both India and foreign countries, and experts have dismissed it as blatant propaganda, as the Chinese J-10C has struggled to find buyers in the global market. A French aerospace expert has analyzed all the images, and he identified the alleged Rafale debris as a Mirage 2000 external fuel tank. He also said that the acronym RPL means Reservoir Pendulaire Largable, which means that it is an external fuel tank that was manufactured in December 1984, which is a year before the Rafale's first test flight in 1986. The Indian Air Force has said that its upgraded S-125 naval system has proved its mettle during the recent conflict with Pakistan, and it will serve until 2030. Pakistan has issued tenders to repair multiple airbases damaged due to Indian missile strikes, and new satellite images shows that there are not enough hangars left. After Pakistani officials, Chinese officials visited Bangladesh's Lalmonia Hart Airbase site, that is located just 20 kilometers from India's Siliguri corridor, and is also referred to as the Chicken Neck. The Defence Acquisition Council has granted emergency procurement powers to the Indian Armed Forces worth 40,000 crore rupees, which is around $4.7 billion, to buy vehicles, drones, loitering munitions and ammunitions. India has issued a NOTAM warning for a designated range of 510 kilometers around the Andaman and Nicobar Islands for the period between 23rd and 24th May. Newspace Research and Technologies has successfully delivered the first batch of its Nimbus-scope tethered drones to the Indian Army that will enable uninterrupted real-time intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance for long durations. The RDO chairman has inaugurated a new automotive and weapons system testing center and a modern engine test center at Avadi, Chennai. Indian small arms manufacturer SSS Defence has unveiled its new T-72 7.62 by 51mm squad designated marksman rifle. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has announced that the design and development phase of the Super Sukhoi will take 5 years. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has said that the Tejas Mark II will follow a 3-year testing schedule after its April 2026 first flight, and HAL anticipates finalizing a contract by 2029, and deliveries will start in 2032. While General Electric has delivered only one F404 engine, HAL's management has expressed confidence that it will be able to deliver 12 Tejas Mark I fighter jets to the Air Force by the end of this year. After its major success in strike operations in Pakistan, the Indian Ministry of Defence has directed several private sector manufacturers of loitering munitions to ramp up their export outreach to capture at least 10% of the global loitering munition market. The Royal Moroccan Army has inducted the Crore ACH-7 combat helmet, manufactured by Indian firm MKU Limited. HAL's Transport Aircraft Division has successfully completed the midlife upgrade on 17 Dornier 228 aircraft of the Indian Coast Guard. Lockheed Martin has said that 96% of the wings for the C-130J are now manufactured in India. The DRDO has developed an indigenous seawater desalination technology that will be used for high-pressure seawater desalination in Indian Coast Guard ships. Today's top 3 comments.